Stage 3, Waste Management Plan, provides a summary of the waste streams from the waste identification page. You can now enter further information for each of the waste streams, such as how the waste will be collected, who will collect it, and who will process the waste. This page should be completed by the person responsible for waste management, which can be the supplier or the event organiser, who can always view and edit this page. If Stage 2 header is not greyed out, you have waste responsibility. If Stage 2 is greyed out, you do not have waste responsibility. For further information on completing the RMP tool, go to Training Module, Waste Management Plan, Supplier without Waste Responsibility. Your waste contractors can help provide the information for this page. Once this step has been completed, the suppliers for the event can view the waste streams that have been set up and any requirements they must comply with. For example, food waste must go in the blue bin and must not be mixed with packaging. To enter the additional information for each of the waste streams, click on the Edit button. In this example, we've selected the yellow bin, but we will fill in details for all the waste streams in turn. To make your event more sustainable, you need to promote reduce, reuse and recycling options first before considering any other. There is a reference tool in Stage 2, Waste Identification, which gives you more information on the options for each waste stream. The waste stream details from the Waste Identification page are already provided, and you can now add further details about what will happen to the waste streams in the box provided. Describe what will happen to the waste. In this example, the waste will be sent to landfill, but there are other waste management options, including recycling, composting and recovery. Enter the name of the waste contractor who will collect the waste and provide any licence details. Enter the name of the waste contractor who operates the final facility where the waste will be treated and provide any licence details. You are required to know this under the UK waste law. In the Further Waste Material Description text box, enter information you would like your suppliers to know about, including what materials can and cannot be put in this waste stream. Comments such as only compostable packaging allowed in this bin, or aluminium cans only, so do not mix with steel cans. Add any further notes on additional information that you wish to pass on to your suppliers in any additional information box. You can include details regarding separating wastes or collecting the waste. For example, ensure recycling is kept separate, cans from catering need to be rinsed out before they're put in the bins, ensure training manuals are provided to all key staff, or waste bins will be collected between 6 AM and 8 AM when there is no public access. In this example, details have been added to request the kitchen staff are informed and trained to separate recyclables and food waste. Click the Save and Return to Waste Management Plan button. The information entered on the previous page has updated the Waste Management Plan. Now let's update the other two waste streams. Click on Edit for the green bin. Enter the information for this waste stream, such as Waste Management Company 1 collecting the waste and Waste Management Company 3 treating the waste at the recycling plant. Enter information regarding the materials in the Further Waste description box. Additional information for the supply chain includes the colour of the recycling bin is green, make sure the staff are informed, and plastic bottles and cans are rinsed out. Once the information has been added, click Save. Once you've entered the information for all the waste streams, the waste management plan is complete. The suppliers for the event can now view how the waste will be managed and use the plan to ensure they comply with any waste requirements. This information demonstrates that you have undertaken your duty of care and that you know where your waste from the event goes and how it will be processed. Click on Continue to move to the next stage of the RMP tool.